Yesterday, Anna looked very happy. She suggested to do something. I, I asked her, "What do you want to do?" She didn't know. She said, "Anything was fine." I suggested we play the card. She liked it. Then I asked her to play badminton after we finished playing card. She said no. She didn't want to play badminton. I surprised her because every day she still play it. She said that it made her tired. Then I asked her to go to the stream. She said that sounds great, but she wanted to eat something. I thought about bread. I said, "Bread?" She liked it. She liked it. Then after that, I asked her to go. I asked her to go to the nightclub. Nightclub. She said she looked at me. She looked at me and said, "It's a good idea. It's a good idea." And of course, we went immediately and have a good time together.